ChatGPT is like bag of rice. A professional chef is going to make biryani out of it, and it is going to be absolutely tasty. And if you are noob in cooking, then you are going to.
Yeah, see, this question is taken from that book only.
Yes. The following sets of points lie on the line. That is
Of the following sets of points lie on the line that is perpendicular to the line that passes through the points. See the basic points regarding the slopes of
so we find this slope and we find the reciprocal slope of the other ones.
very good, you are right. That's good. That's correct procedure. See, first of all, find the slope of the given points. That means given line, the given line is passing through these 2 points.
5/4.
Slope is equal 8 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. 5/4, right? Perpendicular slope, slope of the perpendicular line.
-4/5.
Yes, slope of the perpendicular line. -4/5, right?
Yes.
It is -4/5. We have to check 4 options for which the slope is -4/5.
So it's not option D, sir.
Option B correct or option B wrong?
Oh, option D, sir. The last one is not correct.
Okay, last one is not. Which of the following sets of point lie on the line that is perpendicular to the line that is okay. Right. Let's check.
Only 6 days, master.
What about option 1? Option 1, 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 16, minus 5. Correct only?
-5. Yes, sir.
1 minus 5, negative 4.
-4.
3 minus 8, negative 5.
5.
Negative 4 by negative 5 is 4 by 5.
Wrong. Yes.
Wrong. 13 minus 5, 8. 3
8.
minus 2, 1. Not correct. 11 minus 8, 3. 5 minus 7, minus 2. Wrong. That's why option A is correct.
Yes, sir.
Next up. Also from the same book.
Oh, we find the same slopes.
Yes. Which of the
5 by 4.
sets of points lie on the line that is parallel? Parallel means slopes are equal.
Yes, sir.
Slope of the given line. Slope is equal 8 minus 3. Same slope. Slope same
Yes.
of same.
Okay.
8 minus
Yeah, 5 by 4. Sir. Yeah.
okay. 5 by 4, right? Here 3 plus 8, 11 by 6. Not correct.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 minus 2, negative 5
-5.
by
Wrong.
8 minus 4. Oh,
Oh.
same
Correct, sir.
is equal to 5 by 4. Correct.
Okay.
We need not check the remaining
Yes, sir.
because only one option is correct. In IITs, there are questions for which more than one options are correct.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 3, 5. Okay, we need not check. Option B is correct only. Yeah. In the last class, we discussed about the intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, let's have a small discussion on intercept form or intercepts. Yeah, you must understand that there is much difference between intersection and intercept.
Yes, sir.
Intersection is different word. Intercept is different. Intersection is different from intercept. Yeah.
Yes.
Intersection means when two lines are given, this is called intersecting lines. And this point is called point of intersection. Okay. Whereas intercept means, see, intercept is not only for x-intercept, y-intercept. The same word is used for in other concept also. For example, if you take a circle, if a circle intersect, if a circle is intersecting this, if a line is intersecting this circle, okay, there are 2 points. There are 2 points of intersection are there, right? And the
Yes.
distance between these 2 points is called intercept.
Yes.
Distance between the point of intersections, the distance between the point of intersections, okay, is called intercept.
Yes.
Intercept. Okay, intercept made by line. Intercept made by line. This distance, it is called the intercept made by the line.
Yes.
This is the other case where the word intercept is used, right?
Yes, sir.
This red line is called the intercept made by line. Made by line.
Yes.
Intercept of circle made by line, or intercept on line on circle made by line, right? Now, coming to the concept of straight lines, when intercept is mentioned, you must understand that it is x-intercept and y-intercept. That means intercepts on XY axis. See,
Yes.
X axis, Y axis, origin.
Yes.
If a line cuts coordinate axis, these are called coordinate axis. X
Yes.
and Y are called coordinate axis,
Yes.
right? Now, this is A, this is B. See, now this red line is called x-intercept.
Yes.
It is called x-intercept. And
Yes.
this is called y-intercept.
Yes.
X-intercept and y-intercept, right? So x-intercept means distance between origin and the point of intersection of that line with x-axis.
Yes.
This is called x-intercept.
Yes.
X-intercept. Intercept is the distance between origin and the point of intersection of x-axis.
Yes.
X-intercept.
Yes.
This is called y-intercept. For example, if we take a line ax plus by is equal to c. Okay. Okay. First, let us write its intercept form. Intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line is x by a
Plus
y by b.
y by b equals
X
1.
by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is intercept form. Intercept form of a line.
Yes.
Intercept form of a line. This is called intercept form.
Yes.
For example, 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 is given line. We can convert that equation into intercept form. How to convert this line into intercept form? First of all, convert it so that the right hand side, the constant term is in right hand side. That means is equal to 6.
Yes.
Now divide each term by 6 so that RHS will be right hand side will be 1 only, because in intercept form right hand side is 1 only.
Yes.
Now 2 goes 3 times.
Yes.
3 goes 2 times.
Yes.
6 cancels.
Yes.
It is x by 3
Plus y by 2
very good is equal to 1.
equals 1.
It is intercept form. Intercept form of given line is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. What is the use of converting the line into intercept form? When a line is converted into intercept form, we can understand x-intercept and y-intercept. Here, x-intercept is equal to 3.
Yes.
And y-intercept is equal to 3.
Yes.
This is one method to find intercepts, xy intercepts.
Yes.
If you want to see the given equation in intercept form, this is the procedure to convert it. And there is another method to know x-intercepts and y-intercepts directly. For example, the given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. The given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. It is the given equation. Okay.
Yes.
For example, in this sum, its y-intercept is asked. In that way, for example, if we want x-intercept of this line, previously, in this previous calculation, we understood that x-intercept is 3, right?
Yes.
For example, without converting the given equation into intercept form, we can find x-intercept as well as y-intercept also.
Yes.
Example, if we want to find the x-intercept of this line without converting into intercept form. X-intercept, for example, if you want x-intercept, right?
Yes.
To find x-intercept, put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in the given equation.
Yes, sir.
What happens when we put y is equal to 0 in the given equation? That is 2x
2x plus 0
0
equals 6.
is equal to
2x.
6, right?
Yes.
Minus 6 is
X
set to
equals
right hand
3.
side. X is equal to 6 over 2 is equal to 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
x-intercept is,
It's 3.
here x-intercept is,
Is 3, sir.
got the point? Have you understood?
Yes. Yes.
Are you keeping notebook and pen with you?
Yes.
Yeah, note down the important points on it, okay? And whenever you have time, go through the same class, okay?
Yes.
See, how to find y-intercept?
So you replace, sorry, you put 0 as x.
Yes, put plugging in. Mostly you are
Plugging.
using plugging in word, the word plugging in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plug in x is equal to 0. For what we are plugging in x is equal to 0? To find
The value of y.
y-intercept. To find y-intercept, plug in x is equal to 0. Right. Go ahead.
So 2, sir.
What happens putting when we put x is equal to 0?
We get
0.
the answer as 2.
Yeah, 0 plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0.
Yes.
3y is equal to 6. M plus y is equal to
2, sir.
6 by 3, 2. That's why y-intercept 2, right? Yeah,
Yes.
this is about intercepts, right? And some questions are there giving the relation between intercepts and asked to find the equation. Okay, we'll go through it later. First, let us focus on this question. A line passes through 2, 2, right? And perpendicular to the line 3x plus y is equal to 3, right? See, we know the relation between perpendicular lines. When two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is -1.
Yes.
Slopes is -1. And you know well the the most used formula in straight lines is point intercept form. That means y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. It is the most
Yes.
used formula in straight lines. This is called point slope form. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we are asked to find the equation of a line. After that, we need we need to find the equation of the line to find its y-intercept. First of all, we should get its equation, right?
Yes, sir.
The most used form in straight lines is to find equation is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, right?
Yes,
Here and x1 y1 is a point on it. It is given as 2, 2. If a line passes through 2, 2, that means a point on the required line is 2, 2, right?
Yes.
So what is x1? 2. What is y1?
2, sir.
Yeah, x1, y1 is ready for us. But what we need, m is needed.
Yes.
M is given as m
3,
can be
sir.
by finding the slope of the second line, this line.
Yes, sir. It's
The
3 now.
yeah, the required line is perpendicular to it, right?
Yes, sir.
What is slope of this line? You know, I told you slope of a line when its equation is known. For example,
The minus.
very good. Yeah, tell its slope. M is equal.
Oh, negative a over b.
Yeah,
M
negative
equals
a over. That means -3 over 1.
negative 3 over.
So the slope of the required line, should be reciprocal
Minus.
and opposite side.
Yes, sir. So it will be 1 over 3.
1 over
3.
Very good. So this value is 1 over 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can find the required line. Y minus y1. That means y minus 2 is equal to M means, what is M?
So -3.
No. It is the slope of
Sorry, 1/3, sir. 1/3.
1 over 3, right? 1 over 3 times x minus 2.
X minus 2.
Yeah, multiply both sides by 3. So that 1 by 3 will become 1.
So is the answer 4/3?
3 by minus 6. Okay, you are telling it's option?
Yes.
You are doing simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. 3 by minus 6 is equal to x minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
At this stage, you can find y-intercept. We need not find it simplified form. Our purpose is not to find the equation of that line. Our purpose is to find its y-intercept. To find
Yes, sir.
y-intercept, what should we do? Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0.
3y minus 6
3y minus 6.
minus equals -2.
Minus
3y equals 4. Y equals 5.
3y is equal to minus 2 plus 6. 4. Yes, very good. You are right. Y is equal to 4 over 3. Option D. Very good. Yeah, you can do it. This question is also taken from that book that is titled SAT.
Yes, sir. X equals -.
I have seen many other books of SAT, but all those books, all those remaining books contains a very low. That means not low standard, very basics.
Yes, sir.
Very basic questions are there. Simple questions regarding exponents and fractions. I think we don't expect simple questions like fractions or something in SAT. Maybe
Yes, sir.
it was outdated. I think some books. That means old published books maybe. Yeah.
Maybe, sir. I'm not sure.
The equation 2 minus x by 2 minus y plus 2 by 2 is equal to -3. If
So
x,
is it option C, sir? 8?
yes, you are right. What happens if we put x is equal to -2?
4, sir. 2 plus
Yeah, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 minus y plus 2
5
by 2 is equal to -3.
equals -.
Now, a negative y plus 2 by 2 is equal to -5. Negative y plus 2 is equal to -10. Cancelling negative on both sides, y plus 2 is equal to 10. Very good. You are right. Yeah, your calculating speed is much. Option 8.
Yes. What is the equation?
Yes, same. Similar question. Yeah, see, yeah, there are two methods to it. I am explaining both methods. Choose, choose.
So we can just find the slope, no, sir. It will be easy.
Yes, yeah, that is one method. Go through it and tell its answer. And the required formula is y minus y1 is equal. Yeah, do it. You can do it. Y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1.
Okay. So if option A and option C are wrong.
Option A and option C are wrong. Okay. You are cross-checking it.
Yes, sir. I'm just eliminating the
Yes.
answers.
Very good. Option A is surely wrong. Then how can you
Yes.
say option D also wrong?
Not C, sir.
C. Yeah, very good. Option C also surely wrong.
Wrong. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So it should be either B or D.
Yes, it could be either B or D.
Yeah. So we can substitute. Oh, if I substitute y plus 5 equals times x. Y minus of my y plus 5 equals negative 3
Yes,
over
5
4.
plus 5 is equal
Negative 3 over 4 times x minus 4.
negative 3 over 4 times x.
Negative 4x
Multiply
plus
by 4, it will be 4x, sorry, 4y plus 20 is equal to negative 3x plus 12.
4y plus 20 is negative
Bring
3
those terms to left hand side, 3x plus 4y
4y equals negative
plus
3x
0. That's it.
minus 6. Negative 3x plus 12. Oh, yes, sir.
Option?
Option B.
Yeah. Now let us learn a new method to solve such sums, right? I'm telling 2 points. Line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus some constant k is equal to 0. This is simple method. The equation of a line parallel to a given line can be taken as this way. See, have you understood that the given line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0? The required line is 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
What's the difference between these two lines? Only
Constant.
Only constant changes for parallel lines.
Yes.
Parallel lines are differ with constants only. For example,
Yes,
so we can take the parallel line as same x term, same y term, different constant.
yes,
Let us use this concept to solve this sum, same sum. To solve the same sum, let us take the required line is parallel to 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So we can take the required line as 3x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. All that we need to do is we need to calculate is just to find the value of k only. To find the value of k, there is a hint in the given question, that is the required line has 4 comma minus 5 on it.
yes.
So we can plug in 4 comma minus 5. It will be 3 times 4, 12.
12
4 times
minus
negative 5,
20.
negative 20 plus k is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Which means negative 8 plus k is equal to 0.
Yes.
So k is equal to 8.
Yes.
Just put 8 in this place of k. That is the answer. So the answer is 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. That's it.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
It is one method. Yeah, I'm telling the similar point for perpendicular lines also. See, perpendicular to line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Yes.
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is Perpendicular lines can be taken as, see, the difference is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. What is changed here? XY coefficients are exchanged. We write y coefficient in the place of x coefficient.
Yes.
And x coefficient in the place of y coefficient, and the sign is opposite, plus minus. For example, if we want to find the equation of the line which passes through 4 comma minus 5 and perpendicular, if there is a word perpendicular instead of parallel there, then our solution will be like this. Our simple solution will be like this.
Then the option C is correct.
Yes, very good. Yeah, the required line can be taken as 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. To know the value of k, we use 4 comma minus 5. Plug in 4 comma minus 5. 4 4s are 16 minus minus of minus plus 15 plus k is equal to 0. Very good. You are right. Your calculation is right. K is equal to negative 31. If you put negative 31 in the place of k, it is the answer. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very interesting question. It's very interesting. See, for example, if you have a line 7x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 is a line. Okay. If we get an equation like this, 7 alpha plus 8 beta plus 6 is equal to 0. 7x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 is an equation. For example, if we have a statement like 7 alpha plus 8 beta plus 6 is equal to 0, then our conclusion for this statement is, our comment on this statement is, the line 7x plus 8y plus 6 passes through the point alpha comma beta. As we know, if alpha comma beta is on the line, or the line 7x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 passes through the points alpha comma beta, then we can plug in alpha comma beta in that equation. The result is 7 alpha plus 8 beta plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Conversely, if we have the statement 7 alpha plus 8 beta plus 6 is equal to 0, our comment on this statement is, okay, the line 7x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 passes through the point alpha comma beta, right?
Yes.
Same idea is used to answer this question. And it is given that the straight line x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0, 3x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 0, and ax plus by is equal to 1 are concurrent. Okay, we discussed about the concurrent lines, intersecting lines. The next level of intersecting is concurrent. If two lines have a common point, those two lines are called intersecting lines.
Yes.
More than two lines have a common point, those lines are called concurrent lines. These are concurrent lines. See, these are intersecting lines. These are concurrent lines.
Yes.
Since there are three lines, they used the word concurrent instead of intersecting. If there are only two lines, they might have used the word intersecting or intersecting. Okay. Now we know, we have understood why they used the word concurrent, right? Because there are three lines. See, this is the first line, x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the first line.
Yes.
This is 3x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the second line, right?
Yes.
And we need to find the point of intersection of this line, these two lines, right?
Yes.
And the third line is concurrent with those two lines. The third line must pass through the point of intersection of first two lines.
Yes.
That means we can plug in this point of intersection in the third line.
Yes.
That gives the result. See, let us start to solve the given two lines. How to solve these two lines? Which method you prefer to solve these two lines?
So the system of equations.
Yes. You want to multiply the first equation by 3?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. See, 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the second equation. Multiplying the first equation by 3, we get 3x plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Subtracting negative 3, negative 6 plus positive 27. 3x get cancelled. So 5y minus 6y negative y.
Equals 22, sir.
Yeah. Minus 5 plus 27. That is plus 22. So y is equal to 22.
Yes.
To get the value of x, put this equation in the first, put this result in the first equation. X plus 2y, that is 44. Minus 9 is, so x plus 35 is equal to 0.
Negative 35, sir.
X is equal to negative 35.
Negative 35.
So this point of intersection is negative 35, comma 22.
Yes.
Right? Now
Yes.
we use the concept that the third line passes through this point. The equation of the third line is ax plus by is equal to 1.
Yes.
You can plug in negative 35, comma 22 in that equation. Just do it. Plug in negative 35, comma 22 in that equation. A into a times of negative 35.
Times negative 35.
Yeah.
B
Plus
times
A
20
times of 22.
equals 1. Negative 35A
Yeah, very
plus
good.
22B
Negative 35A.
equals 1. Plus 22B equals
Yes,
1.
plus 22B is
Equals
equal to
1.
5. And we can write it minus 1 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah, to compare this result to this result, this equation, that is 3x minus 22y plus 1 is equal to 0, we need to multiply each term by negative.
It's like negative
Just
A.
to compare. Just to compare. Yeah, it is 35x, but we got negative
Is it
35.
option D?
No, just wait. We need to compare that is the final this result to 35x minus 22y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. For that purpose, we need to multiply by minus. Okay.
So it will be 35A
35a
minus 22B
yes negative minus 22b plus 1 is equal to 0.
equals 0.
Now we can, it is ready to compare with the this result statement, right?
Oh,
That is,
A comma B, sir.
yeah, 35x minus 22y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is asked here? If these three lines are concurrent, what is the point through which 35x minus 22y plus 1 is equal to 0? We use the final result, that is 35a minus 22b plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is replaced by a and y is replaced by b. That's why the required point is
A comma B.
a comma b. If we didn't complete the calculation completely, if we didn't do the complete calculation, we may misunderstand. It may be a comma negative b or something other. Okay, some
Yes.
other. So option is
A comma B, sir.
yes. It is a comma b. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can do it.
What's the value of Y so that the line is parallel to the line? So it's
Hello. Durga. A. Mm, 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 mm. సరే సర్లే చెప్పు తర్వాత ఏంటి తర్వాత ఏమన్నారు సరే సర్లే అలా కాదు దేని గురించి అడిగారు? డబ్బుల గురించి అడిగారా ఇంక దేని ఒంట్లో పడుతున్నారా డబ్బుల గురించి అన్నారా ఒంట్లో పడుతుందన్నారా షుగర్ ఏంటి అర్థం కాల
So is it option D?
Option D.
9.
Yeah, parallel. 3, y and 2, 7. That means 7 minus y by 3 minus 2 is equal, parallel means same slopes. 6 minus 4 by 0 plus 1. 7 minus y by 1 is equal 6 minus 4 is equal to 2.
Yes.
7 minus is equal to 2. Y is equal to 5. Yes, very good. Yes, it is the different concept. How many kinds of distances are there? How many kinds of distances are there? We know various kinds of distances. Yeah, this is a point. This is another point. This is called the distance between 2 points. This is called the distance between 2 points. Formula to find this type of distance is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus
y2 minus
y1 whole square. And another type of distances are there. This is a line, this is a line. These are two parallel lines.
Yes.
Distance between these two parallel lines is mod of c1 minus c2 over root of a square plus b square.
Yes.
The first one is distance between 2 points. The second one is distance between two parallel lines.
Yes.
Now, the present topic is, the present concept is distance from a point to a line. This is point, this is a line. Distance from this point to this line, that is called perpendicular distance, because the perpendicular distance is the smallest, shortest distance. If we take a line and a point, we can find so many distances. So we can find infinite distances from a point to a line. Among those infinite distances, the shortest distance is the perpendicular distance.
Yes.
This is called the shortest distance, that is called the perpendicular distance, right?
Yes.
So whenever a distance of a point from a line or the distance of a line from a point is asked, we can understand that it is nothing but the, right?
Yes.
That there is a formula to find the perpendicular distance. If the line is, if the point is x1 comma y1 and the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, Now the perpendicular distance from this point to this line is mod of ax1
Plus B1.
plus by1 plus c over the square root of a square plus b square. It is the formula to find the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from a point to a line. Perpendicular
Yes.
distance of a line from a point or perpendicular distance of a point to that line.
Yes.
We can say in two ways. Perpendicular distance of a line from a point or perpendicular distance of a point to a line.
Yes.
See, it is the formula. Let us first see, solve a direct sum. The formula is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c over root of a square plus b square.
Yes.
Let us solve a direct sum. There is a direct sum. Yes, it is a direct sum.
Yes.
Read this question.
The perpendicular distance from 1, 2 to the straight line 12x plus 5y equals 7 is.
Right. That means it is the point 1, 2. It's a line.
Yes.
Line equation is 12x plus 5y is equal to 7.
Yes.
This is called perpendicular distance. This is asked.
Yes.
As we know, the formula is if it is alpha comma beta, sorry, if it is x1 comma y1, and the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is perpendicular distance. It is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by the square root of a square plus b square.
Yes.
It is a formula, right?
Yes.
Use it. That means the formula is nothing but plugging in the point in this line, in this part, and the denominator is root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square.
Yes.
Very simple. To remembering is very simple. Plug in that point in this part. Now,
Yes.
same. Yeah, find its value. Mod of
Mod of
1 times 12.
1.
Plug
Yes.
in 1 comma 2 in
12.
this part. That means
Mod of
minus 12
12.
minus 7 is equal to 0. It can be written as 12x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah, use it 12 times 1.
12 plus
5 times 2
10y.
minus 7.
Yes.
By the square root of, just we are plugging in these two values.
Is 1 plus 4. Sir.
Tell again, root of a square plus b square. That means x coefficient square plus y coefficient square.
So 12 square plus.
Yeah, 144.
144 plus 25. Sir.
Very good. Do it first. Mod of
Mod of 12 plus
10.
12 plus
22.
3. That's
Plus 5
15.
and 10, 10.
Yes, so 10 minus 7, 3. No, sir.
Yeah, 15. Very good. By root
By
1.
169, 13, sir. 15 over 13.
Yeah, 2 or 13. Option?
Option 1.
Yeah. What is this question? Which of the following lines is farthest from the origin? So we need to find the distance of all these 4 lines from origin O, 0, 0. First find the distance of x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 from 0, from O, 0, 0. And B and C and D. Which is farthest? Which is greatest value? Yeah. You know, finding the perpendicular distance from origin is very simple. because the point is 0, 0.
Yes.
Yeah, we are finding this value. Mod of 0 times x minus 0 times y plus 1.
0 minus 0 plus 1, 1, sir.
Root 2, right? It is 1 by root 2.
Yes, sir.
First distance is 1 by root 2. The second distance is 2 times 0 minus 0 plus 3. By
3,
root
3
5.
by,
What about this? Negative of 2, that is 2. Mod of minus 2 is 2. 2 by root 5.
yes, sir.
This one,
So say,
2 by root
2 by,
okay, which is
yes,
greater value. See, if we take 1 by root 2,
yes, sir.
we multiply numerator and denominator by root 2.
Root 2 by 2, sir.
Yes, root 2 by 2. Its value, we know root 2 value 1.4 approximately.
Okay.
0.7. First value 0.7.
Yes, sir.
Second value 3 by root 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. 3 times root 5 by 5.
Yes, sir.
3 times root 5 is nothing but 2.2.
Yes.
Tough value. 2.2 by 5. 6.6 by 5. That is equal 1.3.
Yes.
Second value is 1.3.
Yes.
Third value 2 by root 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. 2 root 5. 2 into 2.2.
Yes.
4.4. 4.4 by 5. 0.888. Sorry. Yeah, 0.8 or 0.88. Simply 8. Next, what about this 2 by root 2? 2 by root 2 is nothing but 1.4 by 2.
2, 0.7.
Yeah, 0.7. Yeah. What is the answer?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Option C,
Yes,
0.8.
sir. Option B, sir.
Yes,
1.3.
option B is correct. Okay. Yeah, we will discuss it in the next class. Yeah, if possible, go through that book and solve as many sums as you can, and
Let's see.
other books also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will send the remaining questions to you. Try
Yes.
them as homework.
Yes.
Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class.
Have a good day.
Good night.